Looking for a reliable and energy-efficient cooling solution? Discover the 4-ton R-32 residential air conditioners at the Furnace Outlet, designed to keep your home comfortable while reducing energy costs and environmental impact. These units feature durable construction with galvanized steel cabinets ensuring long-lasting protection against the elements. Their copper tube with enhanced aluminum fin coils deliver efficient heat transfer for optimal cooling performance. Equipped with energy-efficient compressors and factory-installed filter dryers, these air conditioners ensure reliable operation and extended system life. Utilizing R-32 refrigerant, these systems offer a lower environmental impact compared to traditional refrigerants. With SEER2 ratings up to 15.2, they provide energy-efficient cooling, helping you save on utility bills. High SEER2 energy efficiency ratings, R-32 refrigerant for lower environmental impact, energy-efficient compressors, copper tube with enhanced aluminum fin coils, factory-installed filter dryers, heavy-gauge galvanized steel cabinets, 10-year parts limited warranty. Upgrade your home's cooling system with the 4-ton R-32 residential air conditioners. Experience reliable performance, energy efficiency, and, peace of mind. Visit thefurnaceoutlet.com to explore our selection and find the perfect fit for your home.